Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today I have a few Cydia tweaks to share with you guys. These are really awesome, really nice tweaks, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. Now, before we start this video, let me ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys don't miss any video in the future. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys all the awesome tweaks that I downloaded today, and I like them, and that's why I decided to go ahead and make a video and bring it out to you guys. So we're gonna go to Cydia. Once we go to Cydia, and then let's wait for all the sources to download, and now it's fully downloaded. So now I'm gonna go to install recent, and the first tweak we're gonna talk about today is the Sonic right there, and this is the tweak name, and as you guys can see right there, create your ringtones in the blink of eye. And this is really awesome, really nice tweak. And once you download this, as you guys can see in the description, you can create your own ringtone in the blink of eye, and it lets you create from your disk or from online source. So this is really awesome tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. And now once you download this, you have to go to your Springboard, and you will get this right there, as you guys can see, application right on your Springboard. And once you open this, and this is the interface, as you guys can see, and it is comparable with iPhone 12.5, iOS 13.3, and as you guys can see, the first option, create a ringtone, you can do going to the disk. If you click on this, and you can download any file from online, and then from here you can create. It's just like a file manager, but this is really nice, really clean interface, and it's really easy to use. Or you can do the second option you have, going online. If you click on this option, and as you guys can see right there, you can click on all. You have all the wallpapers, and you have ringtones, and you can go to just the wallpaper if you need you're looking for some awesome wallpapers. As you guys can see right there, if we go to this one, and then all you have to do, hit continue right there, and there you go. From here you can download. There's a download option right there, and you can click this option right there in the bottom right corner, and this is the full view of your wallpaper that you're downloading. So this is really nice. And also you can go to ringtones right there, and then you have all these different ringtones. There's so many of them you can download from, and they're really awesome, really nice, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. Now the next one we're going to talk about today is we're going to go back to the Cydia. Once we go back to the Cydia, and the next week basically is the reach option right there. And if we click on this, as you guys can see, reach options, and what this tweak does is basically a tweak to add option to reachability. Even wish that you could enable Wi-Fi from reachability or lock your device, then this tweak is for you. So basically, as you guys can see right there, this is your reachability, and I'm going to show you guys on my device. And as you guys can see, this is the second picture. So you have all these options from reachability, and I'm going to show you guys how to enable it and all that. So we're going to go to settings, go to tweaks, and we're going to find this tweak. So basically this one right there, reach option, and this is the once you download the default, all these options gonna be disable, and all you have to do, enable all these options and then hit apply, and your device is going to respring. And once they come back from respring, all you have to do, go back to your springboard and swipe down from your dock, and as you guys can see, you can take a screenshot, open a control center, lock device, respring, UI cache, and you have the disable Wi-Fi. So this is really awesome. So what we're going to do, say for the sake of this video, I'm going to take a screenshot. So all you have to do, click on that. There you go. As you guys can see, it took a screenshot. So this is really awesome, really nice. And then let's do it again, as you guys can see. And then this time let's open Control Center. There you go. So you got the access to Control Center. It's really nice, really awesome tweak, and I highly recommend you guys getting this and checking it out. Now we're gonna go back into the Cydia, and we're gonna talk about the next Cydia tweak, which is the shy notification right there. And this is from this tweak is from the Bigboss repo, if you guys can see in the bottom, and it is free, as you guys can see, and it was dropped today, August 8th, 2020. And with this tweak, as you guys can see, it is comparable with the iOS 10, 11, 12, and 13, including ARM64E, A12, and A13 devices. And it is not tested on the iOS 10, but you can try. It might work, might not. That's what the developer says. So with this shy notification as a neat tweak that allow you to not wake up the screen when receiving a notification on selected application. So as you guys can see in description, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you guys to my device, and I'm gonna show you guys all the settings. So we're gonna go to settings, and then we're gonna go to tweaks, and once we go to tweaks, and then we're gonna find this tweak, and I'm gonna show you guys all the settings that you can mess with. So as you guys can see right there, shy notification. So as of right now, you guys can see once you download, that's what it's gonna look like, and only two options you have. So you enable this, and once you enable it, and then you go to all apps list. Once you click on that, from here you have access to all your application on your device, as you guys can see. So you can, let's say I don't want to get the notification from the Tumblr. So all I have to do, toggle it on, and then go back, and all you have to do, respring, and this will, and when your device is on charge or is lock, you will get the notification, but it won't wake up your device. And once you want, when you want to check, then you can unlock your device and check the notification. It's really awesome tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. Now the next one we're going to talk about today, we're going to go back to the Cydia, and then next one is this one right here, FlashNotify. And what this tweak does, basically, never leave your flashlight on again. So basically a must-have tweak for owner of the iPhone X or above, for those who tend to accidentally active their flashlight. So basically, for example, by accident you leave your flashlight, you turn on your flashlight and you don't know it's running in the background. So you can set the setting, as you guys can see in the picture, and I'm going to show you guys in my, and this is the lock screen, and that's how you're going to get the notification. So I'm going to show you guys on my device. So if we go to settings, and then we go to tweaks, and we're gonna find this tweak, and as you guys can see right there, this is the tweak, and this is the interface for it. And as you guys can see, you can enable this once you download, and then you can delay time. So you can choose from 30-second all the way to 15 minutes. And once you set that time, and then as you guys can see, remind me when phone is charging. So delay time, you can do same thing from 30-second all the way to 15 minutes. And then as you guys can see, you can set uh, let's say you by accidentally you turn on the flashlight, you can have this option on, and then it will automatically shut off your flashlight, and then you can set the time for that option. So once you do all the settings, all you have to do, respring your device right on the top right corner, and it will take effect. And it's really nice, really awesome tweak, and I think it's a must-have tweak on your jailbroken device. So that way, let's say you turn on your flashlight by accidentally, and you know what happens, it drain your battery. But with this having on your device, you can save your battery by turning off. So now the next one we're going to talk about today, we're going to go back to the Cydia. As you guys can see right there, this is the tweak. And what this tweak does, a tweak to remove table separator system wide without crash. So what this does is basically, if you doing any settings or any separator tables for your device, for your setting or your control center or your springboard, anything, it will prevent you from crashing or going into safe mode. So this is really, really handy, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this tweak and checking it out. It's it will prevent your device going into the safe mode or going into reboot mode. So it's really a nice, really handy and must-have tweak on your jailbroken device. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on that bell icon so you guys don't miss any videos in the future. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.